Hi guys, this is Vill. Hey, it's show time. Snow time. The name of the winter storm is Bobby. Bobby. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Oh my God. Just look. Woo. Hey. It's winter storm, Bobby. This is just normal for us who lives in Connecticut. It does happen every winter season. You know, blizzard like this. It's blizzard because it's snowing and it's windy out there. This, I don't think you can. I don't think you can stay out Shirley for a long period of time. It's very cold. Yeah, you guys, if you think it's too much for you guys to bear, get inside the house because it's really cold out. The temperature is, but it could be or something. It's very cold.
No, it's 23 degrees.
Oh, it's 23 degrees Fahrenheit? Mm-hmm. Oh my God, I can't go out there. Guys, this is the front yard of the house. Look at that, huh? You want some halo-halo?
Wait, guys. Hold on, Dad.
Get over here if you want some halo-halo. Sorry, but I can't go out there, okay? Tomorrow is going to be sunny. Clear sky and sunny tomorrow. I might be going out with Vill.
Here, you can use this.
Yeah, but right now it's not good.
In the back, there's a red,
it's not good.
Like that thing for the car. In the back by the door, it's red. You get it to listen.
Just look around. Snow time, show time.
Oh yeah, that thing. You saw it? I'll help him. Yeah, show him, Arya. It's near the door.
I have my 4 grandchildren here. Enzo and Arya over there, and Aiden, Gigi and Anthony's son. And Arya and Angela's out there shoveling, and the snowblower. Without the snowblower, it's gonna be hard. If it's just shovel, no way. It's gonna be hard. That's AL&ASTER's car. If you call down.
No, I'm not done.
Woohoo! Hey guys, wait until tomorrow, okay? Be here, okay? Because I'll be going out with AL&ASTER, with Vill
Bring the slate.
for a drive tour just around here. The whole Connecticut is snowing,
In the left.
okay?
Ready? 1, 2.
And right now it's almost 18 inches of snow in the front yard and the back door and the backyard. So tomorrow's gonna be sunny, clear sky, nice weather tomorrow. Okay? I'm going to see you tomorrow, okay? See you in my next vlog, guys. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm signing off. Goodbye.